What's going on, Hall Star Nation? You guys remember the time at the park when I asked my son, do you want a haircut? Oh, you don't remember? Well, let me refresh your mind. Yo, what do y'all think about my boy getting a haircut?
Juice.
Boom! Do you want a haircut?
You go, Brad, got you.
Okay, that's how we do things now.
Yeah. You need a ink, you don't got no hands. His hand's watering.
Boom, do you want a haircut?
No.
I guess that's a no. Well, guys, surprise! Watch this video.
I gotta see it. I'm sorry.
She ain't doing nothing.
I'm nervous.
You go outside.
Okay.
Do it or not?
Yep, let her cut your hair. Look at mommy.
He looking at it. Right?
Yay. Get a picture of the front. Of her. Whoa.
I don't know. Who wants to be the
Oh.
track? Are we keeping all of it? Just-
Yes.
okay.
Oh my god, I'm having a heart attack. Just my heart is beating so fast. This is so much hair. Look, hair, baby. Is that your hair?
He doesn't even care.
Oh my god. Oh,
Make it cold.
no. Look at that, baby. Oh my god. I know. I can't believe we're doing this. What were I thinking? Whoa. Do you like that? Is that cool?
On this side, bud.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You want to hold it?
oh.
Okay. We'll go.
No, that's
Soccer? Okay.
Look at he's rocking mad bud like that.
He's doing really good though.
No.
I want to leave it a little longer on top where he can pull it up. If we can pull it back if need be.
Okay. Make it a little
Look at his
funny.
face. Look
Yeah.
at his face. I know, right?
Is that
He's
good,
doing
baby?
good, ain't he?
Get a drink.
no.
No, I know.
My
Let's squeeze past you.
Yes, and
Hand.
watering.
Oh my gosh.
No.
He's doing, I expected us to be way worse than this.
Yeah, he's doing great.
Stop it. Stop it. Almost. Wait. Let her finish, okay? And then we'll be done and go bye-bye. Do you want to go play? Okay. We get this done, we'll go play.
Okay.
Okay. You're being a really good baby. All done.
Done. Is that,
You're a
Baby.
handsome
He
baby.
got a baby face.
does that look
That's
okay?
awesome.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just didn't want to bring it up too
Hang on, we'll get a wifey in the car and mark it. You look so good. I love it.
That does some
Let's call
cheese.
Mimi and show her your haircut, okay?
Mine?
Yeah, you want to tell me. Let's show Mimi first, okay? Tell Mimi what you did. Say, breathe, Mimi. Breathe, Mimi.
Apple.
Arrow. Come on, Mimi.
No.
See? No,
Go
one time.
away.
He's
No,
like,
go
go
away.
away.
Where is Mimi?
Oh, Mimi.
Let him walk your... Oh,
Here, you
Nana's
want-
gonna freak out.
sorry. Go ahead.
No, it's okay.
Huh?
I'm gonna get your face, okay?
Daddy, let her get the hair off.
There you go. Is that all better? Okay.
Look at you.
Look at Mommy. Say cheese. Say cheese. Oh, you got hair all over.
Put it on your. Here, we can wipe your hands off too. in just a
Let's
second.
let's let you wipe that. Get wiped down. He
Get
said,
that
"Oh,
off of you.
boo."
I'm about to blow. I don't know if you guys want to.
Yeah, I'm out.
You might get covered
out.
in hair. of your hinge joint. Put the sucker in that hand. You want to switch it. There you go. This hand. Go. Okay, you're all done.
Shout out to Amanda over at Pro Cuts. Girl, you did an excellent job. We all like his haircut. When it's time for another haircut, we will come back and see you. Hall Star Nation, I hope you guys have a good evening. I miss you guys. Love you guys. Subscribe, like, share. Tell your friends everywhere all about Hall Star Nation. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.